This how to 1 minute will show you how to add image choices in WordPress form. Follow this step-by-step guide to easily add a image choice in your WordPress form. First of all, we will install WPForm plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. Click on the search plugins box and type here WPForms and search for it. And this is the form we want to install. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, let's create a form. So hover over on WPForms and click on add new. And I'm giving the form name fruits box choice, and now I'm selecting this simple contact form. And here we can see the form has been added. And now we will customize this form and we will add our image choice to this form. So first of all, click on multi-choice. And here you can see the multi-choice field has been added. Now I'm going to put this at the top of comment or message box. And now select the multi-choice field and here enable use image choices. And now it's time to upload our images here. So here we can see the first image box. I'm uploading my image here. Make sure your image dimension is 250 by 250 pixel. It means 250 pixel width and 250 pixel height. Then click on use image. And as you can see, the first image has been added. Now you can caption the image here. Now let's upload the second image. And to add more image field, click on this plus icon. And that's how you'll be able to upload or add multiple photos. And now click on image choice style box and here you can select classic or modern. So here's I'm selecting classic. Image icon choice, you can enable icon. And now you can write here a description and you can make image choice box required from here. And now let's go to the advanced settings. And here you can change your image column. Now it's time to save the form. So click on save. Once the form saved, it's time to add this form to our WordPress site. So I'm going to creating a new post and giving the post title. And now click on add block and search here WPForms. Click on it. Select a form. And I'm selecting this form I just created. And here you can see the result. Clicking on publish. Publish. And now let's view the post. And here we can see a form with image choice. So this is how we can make a form with image choice. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.